Come test drive the 2021 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, clock, power brakes, compass, trip odometer, front stabilizer bar, electronic brake force distribution. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.